cook? You're gonna cook now? Open. Open. Good girl. See, you can open it now. See? Yay! Good girl. Open. Yay! Yay! What's that? You're gonna cook now? Open. Good girl. Yay, she can open her toys now. You know how to open now, baby? Good girl. I see you. I see you. I see you. Peekaboo.
Upside down bow, upside down heart.
Wow. What are you doing, silly girl? I see you. Take everything off now. Come on. Take everything off.
Look at that. Do the look around. The light in your eyes got this hocus pocus. A signal goes through your brain and your eyes start to focus. Oh, do the look around. Do the look up and down. Yeah. Look to the left, down the right, your eyes lit in the light. Look around. An eagle has good vision, he sees everything he passes. But what never seen
God bless you.
Look around. If the eye chart looks blurry and it's hard to see a letter, try some glasses now to see a whole lot better. Oh, look around, yeah. You up and down, yeah. Look to the left and to right, you're already inside. Look back, look back. You look around, look around.
Need help? Here. Here.
Yeah, and your glasses tell you
No, Rayla.
green.
Yeah. My glasses, my eyes, and my brain are all good friends. Oh, just like us. We're friends too.
Yeah, really good friends.
I love you guys.
We love you too. Wow, you're all wonderful friends and amazing scientists. I'm very proud of you all. Thanks, Cindy. Okay, scientists, time to go home. Let's go. Now, where's my seed? Oh, right here, Grandma. Now, okie doke, let's roll. Let's roll.
Hello, hello.
Driving with Hey, kiddo. Thanks for buying my reading glasses. You're welcome. Hey, why aren't you wearing them now? Well, I have one pair of glasses for reading and one pair for driving. Wait, I thought there was only one kind of glasses. You have two? Yes, I do. But there used to be only one kind of glasses. A long time ago, glasses were just one round piece of glass. It was called a monocle. You put it over your eye and squint real hard to hold it there. Oh, I'm wearing a monocle. Look at me. Then people looked through something called a lorgnette. Two lenses on a frame with a long handle. And they also used a pince nez to see. Most glasses pinched your nose to stay from your eyes. Ouch! Then someone made glasses that rest on your ears. And that's the kind we wear today. And there's one more kind